The key to storing and freezing meat effectively is how you wrap it before it goes into the freezer. Today I'm going to show you step by step how to do just that so that you can maintain maximum flavor and freshness. Remember, if you like these videos, comment below and be sure to subscribe to my channel. Freezer burn is the most common form of wasted meat in the freezer. It's the process of dehydration when the meat isn't wrapped properly. Most people don't realize it, but even ice evaporates over time. So today I'm going to show you how to wrap this properly. The first thing you want to do is remove any store wrapping. In this case, it's wild boar that I hunted, so it didn't have any. Next, place the meat in the center of a piece of plastic wrap on a flat surface. Encase the meat with plastic by folding over one side and pressing out all of the air. Repeat with the other side, pressing out any air again. You'll have two wings of plastic available on the other sides. Now, fold the first wing over the meat and the second overlapping the first so you have a fully encased piece of meat. Repeat this process with a second piece of plastic so you have a double coating. Put the plastic wrapped meat in a resealable plastic bag, pressing out any air as you seal it. Lastly, label the bag clearly with a permanent marker, letting yourself know what the contents were and the date it was frozen. You may think you're going to remember now, but 6 months from now you'll be glad you did. And practice first in, first out. That means use first what you froze first. You don't want to let any tasty little morsels go to waste. Have any tips to share? Leave them in the comments below, and be sure to subscribe to my channel.